Introducing the 2021 Audi A6 Tfsi Quattro Sport, a sleek and powerful saloon with 6,000 miles on the clock. This grey beauty boasts a host of comfort and safety features, from ambient lighting to lane departure warning. With a 2-litre engine and petrol-electric fuel type, this car is as efficient as it is stylish. And with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, you can trust that this vehicle is in top condition. Call us or visit our website at Joe Norris Motors, IE, for more information.